Cookies, cookies, cookies. Do I have your attention? Let's count down the top 5 reasons why you should register for the Dartmouth Toastmasters March open house, happening March 8th. Reason number 5. We have cookies. Can I stop with the countdown now? Seriously. I mean, who doesn't love cookies? Reason number 4. Join us for the scenic view. Get ready to be wowed by our breathtaking view of a star-studded parking lot. It's like having front row seats to the most thrilling show in town, the comings and goings of cars. Reason number 3. Join us for our open house and save a little money if you become part of the Toastmasters family through Dartmouth Toastmasters. This year, we're footing the bill for the new member fee so you can focus on honing your public speaking skills and making new friends while saving along the way. Let's be clear. There are still club dues to pay. We're helping you save on the new member fee, but this offer isn't a free lunch. Reason number 2. We are going to have a guest speaker. Even if it means that we have to take one of our members and slap a guest name tag on them, we are going to have a guest speaker. Reason number 1. Are you ready to surround yourself with an amazing group of people? Look no further than the Dartmouth Toastmasters open house. Our members are a dynamic bunch, full of life, humor, and a passion for public speaking. They come from all walks of life and bring a wealth of experiences to the table. And the best part, they're eager to welcome you into their fold. Come on in and meet the best bunch of people you'll ever encounter. Join us for our open house on March 8th from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and find out what Toastmasters is all about. Our friendly and welcoming members will be on hand to answer any questions you may have and to give you a taste of what it's like to be a part of our club. But don't just take our word for it. Come and see for yourself. We promise you won't regret it. To save a spot, please register by emailing Lawrence at vppr@dartmouthtoastmasters.ca. Mark your calendars, and we'll see you at the Dartmouth Toastmasters Open House Wednesday, March the 8th. If you're in Halifax, don't despair. Come over to the dark side. We have cookies.